Hello, this is Jake, and today I will be doing an unboxing of this Kyosho Renault Laguna touring car. I picked this one up from Hereford Model Centre, quite a local shop, probably one of the best model shops I've been to. And they have a lot of old stock, you know, that's just not sold over the years. And this is one of those items. In fact, you even have the original price up here and everything. I was over the moon when I saw this in the shop, because this is the car I can remember watching in British Touring Car years ago, back in the late 90s. So this was a no-brainer, had to buy it. I've also got two others come in as well. One of them a very old Tamiya kit, which a lot of you might be interested in. But anyway, let's get this unboxed. This is a pre-built chassis on this one. If I can ever get in that. There we go. Let's just put that away behind you. So that's what it looks like. We have our decal sheet and manual in here. There you go. Then you got your window covers and everything like that. This is going to be quite an interesting one when it's done. Interested to see how it turns out. In this box here, you have your bits and bobs. Now, when I bought it, I opened it up straight away to have a look, and this is what you get. You get your wheels in there. Now they got to be painted blue as well. Some screws and bits and bobs in there. Wing mirrors, two types of mirrors actually. Wipers, a few nuts and bolts in there. Plastic pieces, servo savers. This one does need a servo, I believe. I don't think it comes fitted. Let's grab the shell. Well, we'll look at that in a second. Tyres, of course. More parts for the shell to, you know, attach the shell to the actual chassis. Your little Allen key, and I think that's your grease in there, some clips as well, some zip ties. Then we have part that, I think that's more for if you wanted to nitro it. Not too sure with that piece, but the chassis is actually in here, and if I just move that to a side, you'll see it's basically strapped to the bottom of the box, so no going back now. Let's have a look. That's one, that's two. Now, all of my RC cars, as beautiful as they are when they're painted up, are used, and there's no exception for this. Renault Laguna, it will be used. Quite a sturdy chassis. I'm quite impressed with that. One thing I noticed straight away when buying this was there's no shocks. The spring's actually built into here. Interestingly, I've never seen that before. But yeah, they got, you know, they're quite soft, so that doesn't really matter. Same for the back. Now, I don't know if you could adjust that or do anything to it. Old style ESC, that, never seen anything like that before. I've only been doing RC cars for about a year and a half now. And your battery goes in there, servo in here, all of that, and it's, yeah, it's quite, it looks good. It looks like it's going to be very strong plastic. I don't think there's any, oh, that might be metal there, that piece. That's not, that's plastic, but that does look like a metal piece there, like this bit. So yeah, and we got the motor in there, which can easily be removed by just removing parts there. But we'll see how it competes. It looks like there are metal bearings in there as well. These are plastic on the wheels. They will have to be changed, because that's one thing I'm doing to all my RC cars now. Also, I just realised it's rear-wheel drive, which is even more interesting, because I believe the Renault Laguna was front-wheel drive. But that's okay. So, let's put it all back in the box for now. You would not get over how many people, when I shared this, when I bought it, I shared a picture of it on a RC page on Facebook, and you would not believe how many people messaged me saying, are you selling it? Are you selling the shell? No, I'm not selling the shell, but so many people are interested in just getting the shell alone. One guy offered me £120 just to buy the shell. Now, I only paid, I think it was 70 for this kit, which is pretty damn good, considering people are offering me that for the shell. So yeah, I'm happy, but the shell's not going anywhere. Like I said, this is not going to be a shelf queen, just plonked up on the shelf, looking like a nice model. This will be used. Now, I don't plan to crash them, but sometimes that does happen. But yeah, it's going to be a really nice car. I mean, look at that. That's just my favourite era of racing right there. Watching these cars go around the circuits was great. You know, and they had some big crashes as well. When it went wrong, it usually went wrong quite big. There you go. So it says you need servo, battery, charger, modern technology. So I could even change that ESC if I wanted to, but we'll see if it works. You know, I have no idea. But there we go. So that is the Kyosho Renault Laguna. It's funny, someone actually said the other day that when these cars were out, not the model but the real car, no one liked them, and now people are literally shouting at me wanting to buy the shell. But it's nice, it's going to be nice. It actually says that 2-wheel drive, so yeah, rear wheel drive. I have thought about making another TT01 chassis and making it wider so it can fill the wheel arches, and we could make a front wheel drive chassis for this shell. That is something I'm considering on doing, but don't get me wrong, I will try out this chassis first and see what it's like and everything. I think the last one I reviewed was the Tamiya Porsche 911, but I still want to do a video on the Mercedes touring car that's just been finished, painted and stickered up now, so I do want to do a video on that next. So we'll find a nice day. I don't want to take them out in this bad weather we got, and we'll see what it's like. But if you want to see this one running and everything, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I think we're up to 820 subscribers now, so thank you for that. Let's go for 900, and I will get this car done, ready, painted, and we will be taking it out and have some fun with it soon. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you all soon with another unboxing.